Hi guys, my name is Heman Panchal. Welcome to the session. In this session, we will talk about the TypeScript union types.
In the previous video, we saw about the explicit types. To check the explicit type, please click the link here.
In one of the previous session of explicit types, we saw about this uh, use of any. Okay, so what this any says, I will accept age in all the types. Okay, so if I specify 29 string, this is acceptable because I'm having number in this. Okay, if I write 29, this is also acceptable because it is a correct number, but this boolean value is not valid for this age variable because age will always be in numbers. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Okay, so I want my age to be either in string or in integer. So what I will do, let's start. So what I will do, I will change data type any. I will say I want either that value in string or in number. So this is how you can specify. So now it has started giving me an error for this age variable because boolean is not allowed for this variable. So if I write in string, no error found. If I write in number, no error found. If I print here, it will print correctly. Now let's say how this will work in an array. Okay, I have commented my code. Let fruits, I will say I will accept that fruits in string and I will accept it in array. I will say fruits dot push apple. Okay, and console dot log fruits. Let me print this number. Okay, apple. This is accepting a number. Say 10. This is not allowed because I'm telling my array that this fruits variable will always be in string array, but I want mixed type. So what I will specify here, any. Okay, so this is now no error found. If I add boolean value, this is also fine, this is also acceptable. Again, I want that fruit this variable should accept only string and number. So what I will do here, I will say string and number. Okay, so now these two are fine, but this is third line is giving me error because it is accepting a boolean variable, boolean value, sorry, boolean value. We have not specified here boolean. So if I do, this is also now fine. So this is how union type works with an array. So here we saw with an array, and in this above example we saw with a object. Okay, now let's see a simple one, that is a simple declaration. Let my val equal to 10 console.log. I will say my val. So no error. Let me clear. It has printed 10. Now if I specify this as a string or number, okay, Oops, something wrong. Oh, sorry. Here it. I forgot the colon. So this is accepting a string or number. But if I specify here boolean value, this will not accept. So this is how union type works with a simple declaration. Thank you for watching this session. If you have any doubts, any questions, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching.